Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you decide if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now we film live here with no edits. I prepare and do as much as I can ahead of time because here on this channel we share solely about the brands, the products, of course the deals, and we also do spoilers on subscription boxes, including MACYS. However, this month was a little bit of a mix-up based on the information that MACYS was releasing. And when I filmed it, I shared with you, and I always do my best that if things change after I film and it's already uploaded, I will always put something pinned in the comments down below, which means it should be the first comment that pops up. And I want to thank everybody who is part of this community who reached out for me here on YouTube in the comments, as well as a direct message when you on Instagram, which my name there is Truewants with the number 2, where people have already received their boxes and they know by watching the spoiler video that there was a little bit of a mix-up, that we weren't sure that the items that they were presenting, that was what everybody assumed who does spoiler videos or does the research like I do. That is what we assumed it was going to be, because all the time that is exactly where MACYS puts the spoilers for the following month. However, they did have a different section where they had a bunch of pictures from past boxes, and then they had a picture that had this bag in it that said September. So I put as a disclaimer in the comment section of that video that I pinned that if it's not this, then these are the items that are going to be in there. And you guys wrote to me that yes, the pinned comment seemed to be what they went ahead and did this month. I then checked on some other platforms, and they're saying that the spoilers that we had that we thought were going to be for this month, which we know now it is not, is going to be for October. So I changed my thumbnail on that original video that I did last month with September with an X over it, and I changed it to October with a question mark, because at this point I am in not the know. And usually I always say to you, as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too. All I can share with you is this is the information that I have at this time, and this is what I always want to be able to share with you, because like you, I'm a paying customer, and I always kind of like to at least get a hint of what is going to be in our boxes, and that's why I like to do the spoiler videos, because like you, I'm a paying customer. I don't do spoiler videos on boxes that I don't get. So it makes a big difference to me that if I'm going to take the time to look up spoilers to share, it's because I pay for my boxes, and I always want to make sure that we are together in the know of the excitement of what we are going to be getting together. All right. So let me share with you the little information in reference to MACYS. MACYS is a $15 a month box. It's always deluxe sample sizes. Sometimes we get lucky, we get a full size. But what's fun about MACYS is two things. One, they always usually have a bonus item in here. We usually get some perfume samples, and they always give us a coupon for future purchases as well. And that is always found behind this card. And normally it is $5 off $20, but this month it is $10 off $40. And they usually do that a couple of times during the year. And that's why I think this probably should have been October, which is when we start seeing a lot of the sales, like Amazon Prime Day is usually in October. All of the releases usually of an advent calendar, all that stuff usually starts happening in October. Plus this bag and the whole theme in here, the couple of things are saying pumpkin and things like that. And to me, that is very Halloween, very October. So I really think that there was a mix up, and somehow this ended up being in September. Now, this is probably what the bonus item is this month. This is going to be a cosmetic bag. And based on the quality of this bag, this is not normally the quality that I'm used to seeing from MACYS. It is a nice bag. The bag is a beautiful color. Like I said, perfect for fall. You can see that the, I don't know if the camera's picking up, that you can see some of the imprint of the embossing of the actual products. It is a good size bag. It has a zipper here, but I'm so used to the quality from Ipsy. It is fully lined, but somehow the Ipsy bags to me feel a lot more quality. And when I think of MACYS, I usually think of quality luxury brands. So this is a little bit of a miss for me in reference to the bonus item, but this whole month seems to be a bit of a miss altogether. So let's get through the items that are in here. The next item that they had was this Plumpkin. It is a retinol eye patches. It's from Tony Moly, so this will be one pair of those. And this is some of the information that is on the back of the packaging here. I always do my best to share this way a lot of the information because you're able to then see ingredients, where things are made, how to use it, and things like that. Then we also have here from MAC, we have this I'm actually really excited for. It is a lash primer. If you're part of my channel, you know that I love lash primers. We've gotten in the past the MAC Stacked Mascara, which is nice, but to actually get the primer that matches up with it, I'm really excited for. So this one here is the information and the before and after pictures. And there is the picture of the wand there. So this I'm excited for. The next item that is in here is also a really good brand as well. This is from Elemis. This is going to be their Pro Collagen. I think this is their cleansing balm. And I had an opportunity to show you the full size of this because it ended up being in my FabFitFun PR unboxing. So that one also with FabFitFun, I get PR and I also have my own personal box. So even when I do get usually PR from a brand, especially a box that I was already getting, I continue to get the box because I appreciate the experience as a paying customer because you still get choices and all the sales are amazing. So you miss out when you're only getting PR from especially a subscription box. So this is the cleansing balm. I haven't had the opportunity to use this yet, but this is a great way to know to try. So in future, if you're part of the boxes where we get full sizes, you'll know if that is an item that you would want to choose for yourself. The next item in here is probably going to go into my gifts for later. This is from Anastasia the Beverly Hills. It's a clear brow gel. This is going to be, of course, a deluxe sample size. Anastasia the Beverly Hills is absolutely fantastic. I have majority of her products already in full size. So this is one that was good for, to me, unisex. If you know your man in your life has unruly brows, this one will be clear, so it'll be able to tame them down with it. It is a phenomenal product, and I love that it comes when it's a sample size, even in a box. The next item is one that we got even a takeover box from Macy's, and it was from Kiehl's. This is another brand that I highly recommend because this is a brand that also I used to pay full retail and go into their stores in the mall, which I always loved and learned so much about their brand by going into their standalone stores. And this is going to be a serum that is very concentrated. So when you see that, you'll know that you need to use just very little. And then we got some repeats as far as I know, because I've been getting the Macy's box for a long time. It is from this brand that is called Robin. And this, they're going to have the Phantom, which is an intense scent. And they're saying the other one here that is Fame is also going to be in here as well. And as I share with you all the time with Ipsy, I get so happy that these are not the size of the samples that we get through Ipsy. So to me, if you're on the fence in reference to a $15 box, you know, the Ipsy one is $14 plus that $1.99 handling fee. And I'm showing you the picture of the beautiful bottles of the full size that are in here. And here is also some more information that is on the card. Then you get also, when you join, you get access to so much in a subscription box, with Ipsy being around that same price, because you also get a bag included every month, which you do not with Macy's. You do get access with Ipsy to all the other sales that they have going on, where everybody, when you're part of the Macy's Beauty Box, everybody, you don't have to be part of Macy's Beauty Box to have access to all the phenomenal Macy's sales. So that's where I think it is a little bit different about Macy's having a beauty box. To me, the Macy's Beauty Box usually has luxury items that are in here, but they're always deluxe sample sizes. I like getting the extra bonus item. I've gotten some fantastic bonus items from them that really have made my boxes, but also that coupon, because Macy's is also part of Rakuten, but now Ipsy is also part of Rakuten as well. And I always have the information about Rakuten in my description box down below. It's something I was using way before I had a channel, but through the channel, I've been able to bring it some light, where everyone else is now able to know a little bit more about Rakuten, that it's a cash app, that there's no monthly fees, no any fees, but my link will get you an extra $30 added to your quarterly check as long as you spend $30, and it doesn't matter which website you go to. You just have to remember to go into Rakuten first. And everywhere that I shop, from a Sephora to an Ulta to a Walgreens to a Walmart, they're all part of Rakuten. I always just go in there first, and then I get cash back. And the best part about Rakuten is that when you go in, they also will send you emails when deals and sales are going on too, which is a lot of times that keeps me up to date, where then I'm able to inform you of some deals that are going on as well. So to me, Rakuten has been an absolute win. I get a quarterly check back for a lot of dollars for doing the exact same thing that I was doing, which was shopping online. I just had to go into Rakuten first, and then it brought me to the website that all my information was in, as well as if I had coupons for that website, I could still use. It solely is cash back based on a percentage of what you actually spent. So it's really free money, and there's no monthly fees or anything like that. It's an easy thing to sign up for, and then you just watch the dollars come in. But the bonus, if you use my link, is you will get $30 and I will get $30 because you used my link. But I always want to make sure to share with you guys things that I'm using and I'm enjoying so that you have access to them too. And that's it for this video, guys. So if you want to refresh, I will try to pin in the comment the video that we did for this month, and then you'll see in the pinned comment on that video of what I shared with you, that these items could possibly be what we're getting in September. But once again, thank you to everybody who is part of this community, who takes the time to share in the comments, because that's our lifeline to each other. And your information that you share with me enables others to be informed too, because I'm able to reach a lot of people through this channel. And that's what makes us a community here at Truewants. And that's it for this video, guys. So if you enjoy this type of content and like to be informed, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have this channel grow and reach more people. And the way you do that is simply by subscribing. It's free. It's the subscribe button you see right underneath this video. Also hit that thumbs up, because that also helps a YouTube channel to grow. But what I look forward to the most is seeing you guys in the comments, because like I said, I do my best to respond to all, and that's my lifeline to you guys. And that's it for this video, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.